Yo, what is up, guys? Today we're going to be getting into some more reselling vendors, some secret vendors that not a lot of people talk about, that will really get you lots of buyers and will work really well. Alright, let's start off with our first one. Oh, just let me preface this before we get into it. All links for all these products are going to be in the description, so you can check them out through there. Again, all links are in the description, so just click them down there and you don't have to search for them manually. Alright. Starting off with our first one, and as you can see, they look really good, honestly. From what I've seen, they look really well, or they work really well. They look really good, and you can check out all these options down here and get yourself one. And then if you go to the reference listing, these are $179 compared to, which ones are these? These are three. So it's $24 here with discounts, actually $21, and then you check it out here, it's $179. So you put these up for $100, then you make you put these up for $100, you make a quick $80 on every single purchase anyone makes. Again, links are in the description, so you can check them out from there. Alright, moving on to our next one. This cool jacket, this designer jacket. As you can tell, it looks pretty good. It works pretty well. It is comfortable, apparently, from the reviews, and it's only $14 with discounts. And then you check out StockX, which I don't know if you guys have never heard of StockX. It is a good. It's like basically, I don't know if I'm gonna explain this right. It's like the eBay for like designer things. So this is $324, and then this is $14 over here. So you could put this up for like $300, maybe not even $300. Yeah, actually, you could probably match the price of this and put it up for $300 and make a quick, what would this be? $200, like 80 every single purchase. So this one's a really good one. Definitely check it out. That's going to be the second link in the description. So yeah. All right, moving on to our bag. Now, I haven't done a lot of bags recently, but this one just looks really good. As you can tell, it looks really good. It seems high quality. And then you check out the reference, again, StockX. This is a big difference. So this is $48, and this one, as you can tell, is that much, 10 grand. But if you were to put it up, I would recommend doing it for really cheap, so you get like buyers extremely quickly, because realistically there's not that many people out and that are willing to buy it for that price, like just that fast, even though it is a big name product. So if you were to put it out for like $600, you would get like buyers extremely quickly, and you would make, let's see, what, 580 every single time someone buys one. So this one is definitely a great one to check out. These are all pretty solid products, but this one is probably the best, and then this one, and then your AirPods. The advantage of the AirPods are that it's only $11, so it's pretty easy to start out. Like if you have not a lot of money, just on you can start with these. Alright, so that's all the products for today. I'll add a little video tag in the corner if you want to check out some more products. Just click up there and click on that video, and then you can see some more. So yeah, like I said, that's all for today. All links are in the description again. See you guys later. Have a great rest of your day, and have a good reselling journey.